Welcome to week 32 of Where Am I Investing? In the last 31 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Midcap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Here is how these funds are performing. Motilal Oswal Midcap Fund is down 3% with a CAGR of negative 6%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 4% with a CAGR of 11%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 9% with a CAGR of 42%. Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 9% with a CAGR of 38%. My overall portfolio is up 2% with a CAGR of 4%. And just for comparison, Sensex is down 1% since this journey began on October 14th, 2024. So yes, we are outperforming the benchmark even with some red in the portfolio. So what did I do this week? I invested again in Bandhan Small Cap Fund and kept the investment amount same as week 1. So if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I have added another 1000 rupees this week. And why Bandhan Small Cap Fund? That's because small cap stocks are often the first to bounce back when market sentiments shifts. And Bandhan Small Cap Fund has consistently shown positive performance in my portfolio, even through volatility. With 11% CAGR, it's emerging as a steady climber. If you have found value in this journey, hit that like button. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. Share this video with someone who needs to start investing. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss week 33. That is it for week 32 of Where Am I Investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This series is a public record of my personal investing journey meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a qualified advisor before making any investment decisions.